Welcome back to Chen Design. In this video, I want to show you how to create one of this element as more like a twisting style and make them into a flower pattern pendant. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we start, I would like to remind you that Chen Design now have a membership program. It has an extra video for member only community chat. If you're interested, don't forget to click on the join button. That's starting on the right view, and we want to draw a profile more like an oval shape. So we are going to starting with a 0 and for whatever size that you would like to make for this pendant. And I'm going to have something look like this. And then the second thing is we need to create a cross section. So that's coming into the top view, and I like to creating a half round. So that's using the arc, snapping into here for whatever size that you want from the top, and draw a straight line linking those two. And let's join them together. If you feel like this is too puffy, and you can make them a little bit lower. But what I like to do is to round the corner. I usually like to round a corner on a curve instead of fit it on the solid if possible. I'm going to using the fillet corners, and this is the one I want to fit it, and something small 0.3 millimeter like this. Let's make it taper by mirror to the other side. And this one, let's do the 3D scale starting from the center, holding the shift and bring it down like this. What we like to do is using the sweep one rail. We want to pick up the rail cross section, make sure they are aligned, and we also want to close curve to be a solid form. Now we have that, we want to make sure that it can be twist. So we want to use the twist command. Pick up the object, we want to snapping from the top to the bottom and coming to the front view. And I'd like to twist about 45 degrees over there. So then you will have this twist. If you feel like this twist is not enough, what you can do is we're gonna do one more time from the top to the bottom, coming onto the front view, and we want to twist 90 degrees. Let's take a look if this is the twisting that you like. If you do, you may want to move it back for -45 degrees, so you will look more in the center like this. I'm going to move this up. If you'd like to know how to do the prong set, I have few videos talking about the stone setting. You can find a playlist on the right top corner. Or I have a course for the stone setting, explain all different kind of a setting for you. So again, I will have information at the description below. If you're interested, you can check that out. So once we have it, we want to do the polar array. Starting from the center as a 0, and we want to polar array 6 of them, and make sure we want to record a history. So then we will get the shape like this. If this is too apart for you, you can kind of bring it in, because we record a history, you can scale into the size that you want it. So that way you will have this twisting looking shape on it. And then you can arrange the B setting on it if you like it into the two-tone with some stone setting on the top. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, let me know how you like it, and I will see you next.